لا 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 لا. أتعلم أنا أتعلم. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. أتعلم أنا أتعلم حتى أفيد وأستفيد، وأعرف لما أتكلم إنه كلامي صح ومفيد. ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Islam al-Bas from Ibn Khaldun Schools, and today we are going to study English World Class 5, Grade 5, Unit 11, Lesson 6, and our lesson today is writing. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to write biographical information from notes with teacher support, read notes for independent writing, write biographical independently. So today we are going to write a paragraph. First of all, we are going to revise vocabulary from the unit to help us write the paragraph. Listen and repeat. Medical, medical. Great, connected with illness and injury. Optics, optics. Great, the study of sight and light. Torch, torch. Flood, flood. Medicine, medicine. Library, library. Caliph, caliph. Asteroid, asteroid. This is an asteroid. Dam, dam. Great, this is a dam. Mathematics, mathematics. Math. Schooler, schooler. Lens, lens. Experiment, experiment. Crater, crater. Okay, let's start our lesson today, which will be about writing a paragraph. And our paragraph today, we are going to write a biographical paragraph. What's a biographical paragraph? To write the story of person's life written by somebody else. To write the story of a person's life written by somebody else. So we are going to write a paragraph about the story of a person's life. Who is in the picture? Great. This is a great scientist. What's his name? Excellent. Al-Hasan ibn Al-Haytham, and we learned that he was one of the most important scientists in the whole history. He was one of the most important scientists in the whole history. In this part, we will study vocabulary and notes and write the information that will help us write the paragraph. As we know, we will write about Ibn al-Haytham. His name is Ibn al-Haytham. Country, Basra, Iraq. Birth, 1050 years ago. Discovery, light into eyes. As we know, he discovered that light comes into our eyes from the world. Opinions, what people say or think about him. Definitely, he was one of the greatest scientists in the world. So we are going to use these information to write the biography of Ibn al-Haytham. Now to the questions part. What was his name? Great. His name is Ibn al-Haytham. His name is Ibn al-Haytham. Question 2. Where and when was he born? Where and when was he born? Great. He was born in Basra, Iraq, 1050 years ago. He was born in Basra, Iraq, 1050 years ago. Question number 3. What did he make? What did he make? He made important discoveries in many fields. He made important discoveries in many fields, like medicine, optics, and mathematics. Question number 4. What do people think about him? What do people think about him? This is the part of people's opinions. Great. People think of him as one of the greatest scientists in history. So, today or now, people think of him as one of the greatest scientists in history. Now, let's use the information and the questions to write the paragraph. So, the title of the paragraph is A Great Scientist. A Great Scientist. Let's start. So, we will leave a space as we know here, spacing. We start every sentence with a capital letter and end it with full stop, capital letter, full stop, capital letter, full stop, and etc. And remember to write the first letter of names, persons' names, names of people, countries, cities, or towns in capital letter, like Basra, Iraq, this is the country, and Ibn al-Haytham, we capitalize the first letter, also. Okay, let's read the paragraph. The title will be, as we said, Great Scientist. Great Scientist. So, one of the greatest Muslim scientists was Ibn al-Haytham. He was born in Basra, Iraq, 1050 years ago. He was born in Basra, Iraq, 1050 years ago. He made important discoveries in many fields. He made important discoveries in many fields. People think of him as one of the greatest scientists in history. People think of him as one of the greatest scientists in history. Now let's go to workbook. Kindly open your workbook's page 107. 107. Use of English. Use of English. We can use a possessive pronoun to show who owns something. Read the sentence in the box. Ibn al-Haytham had many brilliant ideas. The idea to build a dam across the Nile was his. His. This is a possessive pronouns and we studied them before. His what? His idea. His idea. He owns this idea. Exercise 1. Read. His. His. His is a possessive pronoun. What's a possessive pronoun? It tells us who had the idea. It tells us who had the idea. His idea, as we said. Let's read the question. Who had the idea? Great Ibn al-Haytham. Okay. These are possessive pronouns. These are possessive pronouns. When I say this is my car, this is my car. So we can use possessive pronouns to say this car is mine. To say this car is mine. You, yours, yours. This book is yours. This book is yours. His, his. This idea is his. This idea is his. Hers, hers. She, her, hers. Ours, ours. We, our, ours. Ours. This school is ours. This school is ours. Theirs, theirs. They, their, theirs. Exercise 2. Read the sentences. Find the possessive pronoun and underline it. Read the sentences. Find the possessive pronoun and underline it. Number 1. This big bag is mine. Where is the possessive pronoun? Great. Mine. Mine. Now kindly complete the rest as a homework. Exercise 3. Use a possessive pronoun in place of the underlined words. Use a possessive pronoun in place of the underlined words. Number 1. Jim said, this expensive computer is my computer. So, my computer, we can replace it with mine. Mine. My computer. So, the answer is Jim said this expensive computer is mine. We can say my computer, replace my computer with mine. Number 2. Yasmin said that the new book was her book, her book. As we said before, what's the possessive pronoun from her? Great. The answer is hers. Yasmin said that the new book was hers. Hers. Kindly complete number 3, 4, 5, 6 as a homework.